Hello. In this video, we're going to be discussing the difference between your coil voltage and your load voltage on your condenser contactor relay. A contactor relay such as this one has the purpose of stopping and starting the electrical flow to your air conditioner unit. You see this has a button right here in the middle of it, so you can apply the voltage from the incoming power source to the bottom of your contactor, and it will go to the top of the contactor on this side, but the button here stops the electrical flow from reaching the top on this side. So what you do is you have this button depressed, which allows the voltage to now go from the bottom to the top of the contactor relay. The voltage that you're applying to the top of the relay is known as the load voltage, and the load voltage can be a variety of different voltages: 24 volt, 110 volt, 220 volt. You can change that up. The real question is, how do we get this button to push down and make the connection between the bottom and the top of our contactor relay? And that's where the coil voltage comes in. The coil voltage is usually a lot less than the load voltage, and you're going to attach your coil wires here on this side. And what happens is the coil voltage runs through a coil down here at the bottom, creating a magnetic field which causes this button to be pushed down, creating the connection that we need between the bottom and the top. So what you have in essence is your thermostat is going to call for your AC unit to run. It's going to send out 24 volts, at least in a residential system, to your contactor coil, create a magnetic field, push down this button, and allow the load voltage to pass to the top of the contactor, powering your AC condenser. In your AC condenser in a residential unit, you're going to be looking at a load voltage of 220 volts passing through the top. So while you can change the load voltage, the coil voltage you cannot change. You need to stick with what the manufacturer recommended. It's very specific. So you look at your label and you'll see this one says 24 VAC for the coil voltage, and you need to stick with that. Now if you need help finding the contactor for your unit, you can drop us an email at info@northamericahvac.com, and we'll be happy to have someone look up your unit for you and send you a link directly to the contactor you need to get up and running again. Just be sure to include the brand and model number of the AC unit that the contactor came out of. If you have a part number, that's great too. If you want something a little bit quicker, during the hours of 8 to 4 Eastern Time, you can click the button at the top of our home screen for the live chat, and someone will be glad to assist you in the exact same ways they would on an email, only in real time. So I hope that helps, and good luck.